Alam mo ba, ang laking part pala ng reality natin is actually shaped by our unconscious mind. Yung mga choices mo, reactions, relationships mo, lahat yan influenced by stories na hindi mo pala alam na dala-dala mo. Example, ba't minsan you lash out on something small comment lang? Or kasi baka tinamaan pala yung deep-seated fear inside? Or when you always overwork yourself? Baka ang story na nasa unconscious mind mo is your worth is tied up to your productivity. Or yung pag-judge mo sa ibang tao na feeling attention grabber. Baka deep inside you also crave to be seen. These patterns are not random. They are unconscious, your unconscious mind running the show. And here's the thing, we can't change what we can't see. So let's try to look inward. Start asking yourself, what am I most afraid of people seeing in me? Ano yung takot akong makita nila? Anong kwento ang sinasabi ko sa sarili ko kapag may mali or things go wrong? Kailan ko nararamdaman yung super reactive or defensive ako? Because every trigger, every judgment, and every overreaction is not just noise. It's information. It's a clue. Your unconscious mind is trying to communicate with you. The question is, ready ba tayo makinig?